Hey everyone, in this video we will go over the Ahrefs starter plan. The Ahrefs starter plan costs $29 per month and is designed for individuals and small businesses starting with SEO. It provides access to essential tools such as the SEO dashboard, which offers an overview of website performance, and Site Explorer, which helps analyze backlinks and organic search traffic. The Keywords Explorer allows users to research and analyze keywords, while the Site Audit tool evaluates a website for SEO issues. The Rank Tracker monitors rankings for specific keywords, and the Ahrefs SEO toolbar provides SEO metrics directly in the browser. This plan operates on a credit-based system, offering 100 credits per month. These credits are used when accessing reports or requesting new data from the core tools. It includes tracking for one unverified project and up to 50 keywords. The starter plan is intended for light usage, making it a good choice for beginners or those with minimal SEO needs. As requirements grow, Ahrefs offer higher tier plans with more advanced features and expanded capacities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.